Hello, good morning students, welcome back. We have written back with the same lesson, let's wait, correct or not? What is given in that lesson? It is about a small girl who thinks that no one in the house loves her, okay? And she says that, what does she says that everyone loves my younger sister, no one loves me, correct? And then she thinks of going and staying like a hermit in the mountains and forest, correct? And then she says that no one loves me. But then what happens when she thinks this all, that I should go and stay alone somewhere out, or I should leave my house, I should go away from here? At that time her sister comes over there and touches her from back. After touching her, she thinks that why she has come here, if there are so many people to take care of you in the house, then why are you coming here? At that time she realizes that there is, when she cries as she is small, then only they pick her up, or they pamper her. But it is not so. When they are in work, they don't even look at a baby. And so then she loves her sister too much. She says that when you will grow up, after that only I will think of leaving the house, this and that. Yes, I have already explained you the lesson yesterday. Now we are going to start with the question answers of the lesson. First question is, read the monologue aloud with proper intonation. The second one is, present the monologue, a part of it in the classroom. Now these two questions are not possible. Here third one is, answer the following questions. Question number 3, answer the following. First question which is given here is, what is first question given here is, where does the girl plan to go? Where does she plan to go? She plans to go away and live in some interesting places. Answer, the girl think of becoming hermit and wander in the mountains and the forest. In the mountains and forests. Mountain and the forest. The girl think of becoming hermit and wander in the mountains and forests. Okay, this is first answer. Second second question of the lesson is, what is second question? Can a little girl go to such far away places on her own? Now she is saying that I will go and stay on mountains, or I will stay in the forest. Is it possible for a girl to stay in the forest or stay on the mountain at this age? No. So our second answer is no. No, the girl cannot. No, the girl cannot. The girl cannot stay to such far away places on her own. Places on her own. Third question which is asked is the girl still sad at the end? No. Now in the end, when she realized that the house members takes care of the baby, as she is dependent on them, she is small and she is dependent on elder ones, so she realized that baby has to be taken care, and she has grown up. So in the end, is she sad? No. So our third answer is no. The girl is not sad in the end. The girl is not sad in the end. Fourth question which is asked here is, does the girl love her little sister? Yes, she loves her little sister, but then as all are pampering her little sister, so she gets angry. Answer is yes, the girl love her. Yes, the girl love her little sister. Now you will say, no ma'am, what you are saying? If this girl will not love her little sister, what she was planning to do? She was planning to leave her house and go away. But as this baby came crawling near her, what she said, I will wait for you to grow up. When you will be independent, after that only I will think of leaving the house or going away from the house. So girl loves her little sister. Okay. Now question number 4 is, write the things, any 3 that make you sad, angry, happy. Now that is, this question is for you. Okay. Now first question number 4, first one, the things which make you sad. Now which things make you sad? Punishment. Punishment makes you sad. Yes. More. What makes you sad? Come on, tell fast. Scolding of your parents makes you sad. Yes. So scoldings of parents makes me sad. More. What makes you sad? Come on, tell fast. What makes you sad? Which all things makes you sad? Come on, tell fast. Going to school every day, it makes you sad. Some of them, they love to go to school. Then completing homework, that will be most saddest thing for you. Completing homework. Completing homework makes me sad. Which things makes you happy? Eating chocolates. Eating chocolates makes you happy. Yes. More. What makes you happy? Wearing new clothes makes you happy. Yes. Wearing new clothes. More. What makes you happy? Wearing new clothes or buying new clothes, anyone. Okay. Eating chocolates makes you happy. Then what else makes you happy? Going for picnic. Yes, going for picnic makes me happy. Going for picnic. Yes. So these are the things which makes you happy. These are the things. If you want to write down answers of your own, you can write down. Okay. Next question is the things which makes you angry. Now which things makes you angry, that you have to write down. If someone irritates you, that makes you angry. If someone teases you, that makes you angry. More, what things makes you angry? If someone unnecessarily, if someone scolds you, that makes you angry. So you can write down. Okay, any 3 things which makes you angry. In this way, question number 3, question number 4 we have completed. Question number 5 and 6 we will see. Here it is given, what do you feel when you are angry or sad? Write down your thought. This answer you have to write down. What do you feel when you are happy? Write down your thought. These are 2 questions. I'll give you answers of these 2 questions and then we will start with poem number 14 in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.